In medical device manufacturing, repeatability is critical. The Precision Fixtures hotbox is a digitally controlled thermal delivery system engineered specifically for catheter bonding, laminating, and precision fusing. It delivers stable control over temperature and airflow, two key variables that drive bond quality. The system uses a digital mass flow controller, measuring airflow in standard liters per minute. Unlike traditional volumetric meters, mass flow compensates for temperature, pressure, altitude, and humidity. Whether your operation is in the Bay Area, Salt Lake City, or Minneapolis, airflow remains consistent at the same setting. It also compensates for downstream changes like nozzle swaps or minor back pressure differences, maintaining stable output across your process. Incoming compressed air supply can vary significantly. The Precision Fixtures hotbox includes a built-in fixed 80 PSI regulator that stabilizes upstream air before it reaches the flow control system, reducing variability from the compressed air supply fluctuations. Temperature is managed by an industrial-grade Eurotherm EPC 3016 digital temperature controller, operating from 200 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit with low thermal drift. A machined conical thermocouple seat inside the nozzle prevents over-insertion. This keeps the sensor tip from contacting metal surfaces, reducing thermal drift and installer-dependent variability. Cooling airflow is precisely controlled through the digital cooling air meter, giving operators the ability to dial in repeatable cooling performance as part of the overall thermal process. The result is less operator guesswork, reduced shift-to-shift variability, and easier documentation of validated settings. The system operates as a standalone unit, or it can integrate with the 360 Fuser Pro to automate linear travel and rotation, creating a more repeatable process. The Precision Fixtures hotbox is engineered for manufacturers who demand precision, repeatability, and confidence in validation. Contact Precision Fixtures or visit the link in the description to learn more.